What we're going to do is remove the flapper out of the Pondovac 4 and replace it. First off, you have to unlatch the latches off the unit. I find it easier if you put your foot on the base and simply just pull up to remove the head, remove the motor assembly. Next step is the intake distributor, which is this blue piece, needs to be removed from the unit. You turn it counterclockwise and pull out to remove the intake distributor. What needs to be removed is this inner tank. Again, I'm going to support the bottom with my foot, and it does easier if you pull up and backwards, and if you pull up and backwards, the unit will unsnap. At that point, you can actually see the screw that holds the flapper. Simply take a Phillips screwdriver, you totally loosen that screw. You'll have to reach in and pull the screw up out of there. At that point, through the back end of it, you reach in and grab the flapper and pull it from the unit. With the new flapper, it works better if you cup it, insert it in the hole, make sure the tab goes back into place down there, reinstall the screw, next thing that needs to be put in place is the inner tank. Insert it, lining it up, make sure this is pointing towards the opening where the intake distributor goes, and you will hear it snap in place. Next, take your intake distributor, make sure that the arrow on it is pointed up, insert it through the hole, push it in, and turn it clockwise. Next thing is you're ready to put the head back on the unit. Simply place it on there and close the latch. When the flapper is correctly installed, it should hang midway like this. You should be able to move it upwards towards that chamber and downwards towards that chamber, and when it comes back to rest, it should be halfway. When the flap is stuck, it will be stuck in an upward position like that, or it will be stuck in a downward position such as that, which is only allowing one of those chambers to empty.